The Sales Pop add-on builds trust and creates a sense of urgency. It aims to establish credibility by showcasing recent store sales as notifications and encourages visitors to make purchases as they view what other shoppers are buying. So once you're inside of the theme editor, just head to theme settings and then Debutify add-ons. Scroll down until you find the Sales Pop. Just head back out into the theme settings and find Sales Pop. And then you can make your customizations. So let's have a look at these settings. For the notification settings, max time ago, this is just the maximum time that will show the recent store sale. Display time is the desired length of time for displaying the recent store sales. Interval time is the desired interval time for displaying the recent store sales. And these text settings, names, these are just the fictional shoppers who will appear randomly on your site. Cities, again, fictional cities that will be randomly mixed with inputted fictional shoppers. The cities are written inside the parentheses. Purchased, your desired text that will come after the cities. Purchase emoji, a desired emoji that will represent the purchases of your shoppers. Time prefix, this is just text written before the displayed purchase time. Time suffix, text written after the displayed purchase time. And the icon, a graphic symbol for the store purchases. Then lastly, just the verified text to show that the purchase made is genuine. And then you can make variations on all of the times. And at the very beginning we have collection, which is just the collection of products that will be showcased inside the Sales Pop. And we can see that here. And you can click on the Sales Pop to follow through to the actual product page. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at Debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.